Presenting the noise ColorFit Pro 2 full touch control smartwatch with 35G weight and upgraded LCD display, IP68 waterproof, heart rate monitor, sleep and step tracker, call and message alerts and long battery life. It comes in color options of mist grey, onyx black, and deep wine, jet black, royal blue, and teal green. It comes with full capacitive touch and supporting taps and swipes. It supports 24/7 heart rate monitoring with the built-in optical HR monitor, and whether you walk, run, hike, bike, treadmill, workout, climb, spin. It also has 9 sports modes to cover all your activities. It has IP68 waterproof rating and strong polycarbonate case. The delivery box contains ColorFit Pro 2 smartwatch and magnetic charger and user manual. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.